Welcome to the Sahral Techno channel. How are you all? This time, we'll share some interesting information for mobile technicians, both professionals and beginners. This information is about a tool called Pegasus Tools, version V 3.2. And of course, this tool is used to repair Android devices, especially for common issues like forgotten lock patterns, passwords, and Google accounts. This version is available for free and requires no account login. So, please try using this free version as a learning tool, and if you find it useful, move on to the paid version. In this free version, some menu features are restricted by the developer, making them inaccessible to users. Therefore, for those of you who want full access to the features, please use the premium or paid version of the Sirens Flash tool. To get the premium or paid version of Pegasus Tool, please contact the developer or visit the tool's official website. Disclaimer: this video content is created solely for educational purposes and as a learning resource for technicians. The information provided is intended to broaden your knowledge of device repair tools and techniques. We strongly recommend using official tools and standard procedures from authorized service providers to ensure device security and workplace safety. Each tool has its own advantages and disadvantages. However, the Pegasus tool development team has optimized the tool's performance and tested it on several device brands based on chipset type. Okay, here's a review of Pegasus Tool V 3.2. Pegasus Tools V 3.2 is Android phone service software designed for technicians and mobile device repair centers. Based on information from the official website and various sources within the GSM technician community, this tool provides various diagnostic functions, software repair, firmware management, and device recovery operations on various Android smartphone brands. Overview: Pegasus Tools works through several device connection modes, such as ADB, Android Debug Bridge, Fast Boot Mode, MTP Mode, Download Mode, Recovery Mode. With these modes, technicians can access device information, perform system maintenance, and perform certain service functions without having to physically disassemble the device. Main functions of Pegasus. Tools 3.2. 1. Device Information Reader. This feature allows reading complete device information, such as device model, serial number, Android version, build number, chipset information, bootloader status, device security information. This function is very helpful in the identification process before performing repairs. 2. Firmware service. Pegasus Tools provides various firmware-related functions, including firmware check, device verification, partition information reading, flashing support on certain models, device recovery after system failure. This feature is used to resolve issues such as boot loop, stuck logo, operating system corruption, errors after software updates. 3. Factory reset service. Pegasus Tools can help technicians perform factory reset, format data, wipe user data, clear user configuration, typically used when the device experiences forgotten pattern, system instability, system application errors. However, this feature must be used by the legitimate device owner or a licensed technician. 4. Multi-chipset support. One of the advantages of Pegasus Tools V 3.2 is its support for various Android chipset platforms, including MediaTek, NemTK, Qualcomm, Snapdragon, Unisoc/Spreadtrum, With multi-chipset support, a single application can be used to handle various brands of Android smartphones. Upgrades in version V 3.2. According to available information, version 3.2 brings faster application performance, optimized device communication, improved server stability, bug fixes from previous versions, wider device compatibility, improved device detection process. This update aims to increase technician work speed and reduce service failures. Benefits of using Pegasus Tools. Officially, the Pegasus Tools developer provides official access through an account and licensing system. Using the official version offers several benefits: latest feature updates, new device support, better server stability, technical support from the developer, higher security, reduced risk of malware or malicious modifications, supports ongoing tool development. It is highly recommended to use official activation through a reseller or distributor approved by the developer to gain full access to the latest features and updates. Pegasus Tools 5. 3.2 is a professional Android service platform designed for smartphone technicians. This tool provides device information, reading, diagnostics, firmware maintenance, factory reset, and support for various Android chipsets. Version 3.2 offers improved performance, stability, and compatibility compared to previous versions. For security and reliability, using an official license from the developer is highly recommended. Supporting official products is a positive contribution to software development, improving service quality, and ensuring continued innovation for the global community of technicians. Always use Pegasus Tools V 3.2 from the official website and official distribution channels for a safe, legal, stable, and professional user experience. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to continue supporting our channel to encourage us to share more information about Android tools. See you again. Thank you.